Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Tuesday. So let me show you what Big Ron's been doing. The sun's terrible, I apologize. Bottom of the cab is primed, which is a huge step. Now we still are going to go back under here and all metal a couple spots and probably prime those spots, and then all this will get bed lined. But a huge step in the right direction. Now we're not worried about rain. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but it did. So we're getting there. We are getting there. You can see how far we brought it up here. I can barely see on the camera what you guys can see, so hopefully this turns out all right. The sun is bright right now. So we are starting to look like something. So good news, that is done. That is huge. Most of that is actually final. There's a couple spots on there where we did some welding that are going to get all metaled, but huge. What Ron did do is he went under there with Eastwood's Fast Etch metal conditioner, and then their green prep, and he metal conditioned that 3 times and scrubbed it with a Scotch-Brite pad and steel wool, and really cleaned it up, got it all off of there, and then primed it. And so I think we're in a pretty good spot here. He also has most things taped off, so we can think really hard about bed lining here soon. So I think we're on a good path to, by the end of the week, have this bed lined under here. I think right now it's like 4:30, but I think Ron's plan for this is to tomorrow, let this dry tonight, and then tomorrow to get under here, all metal, sand it, prime whatever he's got to prime, and then have this ready for bed liner by tomorrow night. That's his goal in life at the moment. So hopefully that happens, and we'll get that done. Sorry I didn't get any shots of it actually happening. I wasn't here. I've been running around doing doctor's appointments today. Yeah, so wanted to show you guys that. That's a big update, something we've been talking about doing for a while. It's finally there, so really happy with that. You know, obviously nothing got done on the Volkswagen today or anything, or on the transmission, which is under that towel. He covered it up so it wouldn't get overspray on it. But yeah, we're looking good. We are moving in a direction of having this cab on that frame hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks. We got some parts we got to get for the engine that I need to get before that cab goes on, just because it'd be a real bastard to do once the engine's in. That fuel line on the back of the head, and that transmission cooler, and the engine and tranny mounts. I need those things. Once I get those things, then we can rock and roll here. I can do most of the rest from the engine bay. But yeah, that's where we're at, guys. So hope you enjoyed this. I know a lot of you guys are following along. Sorry it's not a longer video. We just don't have a lot for you today. I didn't do any filming, so just want to give you a quick update and let you know tomorrow we'll be right back at it. We'll get you some more footage of the truck there. I will be back on the Volkswagen thing tomorrow at some point, and trying to take care of some loose end stuff. And we'll go over that tomorrow. And yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. And and we will see you in the morning.